Did you break it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. It still works, right? It's chalk, though. Chloe, don't dump them all out like that. They're going to break more. Don't dump them out. Happy Saturday. Got some sidewalk artists here. Got some on this side, and we got some on this side. So in my closet, I'm getting ready to put away all my Tom Ford fragrances. I filmed and edited my video today for my Tom Ford fragrance collection. So I'm getting ready to put all these back in my closet because I don't want to let them just sit. Chloe's already been in this box. I also have this one Joe Malone in here that I needed to come back upstairs. But yeah, these are all my Tom Ford fragrances. So let's get to putting them away. Scent of the night is Black Orchid Parfum. Happy Sunday. So Noah's not feeling good today. His stomach has been upset all morning. I mean, he's okay. He's not like throwing up or anything, but he just has a tummy ache. So of course that makes me feel down. But yeah, we're gonna go try to get some lunch or get him to eat some lunch. We'll see. He said he wanted to eat, so we'll see if that actually works out. But so I just took a shower, threw on some clothes and I figured I would show you guys my scent of the day. It is Juliet Has a Gun Sunny Side Up. This is one of my favorite like comforting fragrances, so I just thought that it went well with today. But hopefully after he eats he'll start feeling a little bit better, so I'll maybe check in with y'all later. It kind of depends on how he's feeling. Come on, Chloe, let's wash your hair. Like your hair?
My hair?
You like it? You see it?
No, my ponytail.
It's your ponytail.
My other one.
You want a little ponytail? Okay. There you go. There's your little one. You see it? Let me pick this up. See it? Is that good? You like it? All right. You like it? Do you like it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's dry you off a little bit. All the shed hair we got. It's also hair washing night for me. My hair has been like this for like a week. So I'm getting ready to put on I'll show y'all. I'm gonna put a protein treatment on it because I think it's been a few weeks since I did one of those. Probably about 3 weeks, or not 3 weeks. Probably about now. I forgot to take a pair of gloves downstairs when I was washing Chloe's hair. But usually I try to wear gloves so it doesn't mess up my nails. So that's why. I'm putting on my gloves now. So I'm getting ready to put on my protein treatment. This is from Shea Moisture. And you can use it as a pre-treatment or as a deep conditioner after you shampoo your hair. So today, because I'm trying to save time, I'm gonna do it as a pre-treatment. And I'll leave it on there until the kids go to bed, and then I'll wash my hair. I put this on, it makes it look like I have like a lot of heat damage. See how straight this looks? But that's not the case. I don't think I have any heat damage left. I think it's all been cut out. So, but that's how it looks whenever I put this on. Like the first time I did it, it kind of scared me. That's what it looks like now. Now I'm getting ready to wash it and style it. All right, my hair is currently just freshly washed. I did put some of this on in the shower. This is multi-use softening leave-in conditioner by Melanin Hair Care. I typically just put it in and then just leave it in, but I accidentally rinsed some of it out, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I guess I was just in another world, wasn't thinking about it. And then I am going to just use my gel. This is Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. This is typically what I use for washing girls. And I put about that much in there. So I usually just try to focus on the areas where I feel like I need the most gel. I do that first, and then I kind of put it everywhere. I do not go through and section my hair. Like, I don't have time for that. Right? I know a lot of people get good results when they do that. But honestly, if I had to do that every time, I would probably have cut my hair off by now. I just don't want to put in that much work. So everybody has their own techniques they like to follow. This is the way I do mine. So now I'm just basically just trying to make sure that the product is evenly distributed, kind of just raking it through with my fingertips. Another thing is my hair is thin. So I feel like a lot of people that have to like shingle and take it very small section by very small section have thicker hair. I really don't have that much hair on my head. So that's one of the benefits of having thin hair, I guess. Or prefer to have thick hair, but hey, we get what we get. All right, so that's it. And then I typically will take just a tiny bit more and put it in my crown because I feel like I never get enough in my crown. That is like my biggest problem area of my hair. And then I kind of just do the praying hands technique. And let it dry. So it will not be dry by tonight. So I'll show it to y'all in the morning because by tonight it won't be dry. So it's face mask time. I'm gonna be using my baby facial by Drunk Elephant. I usually keep this on for 20 minutes and then I'll come back and show you what I do after this mask. So next I use my Laneige water sleeping mask, and this is in the lavender scent. However, I don't know if this scent is still available, but it does come in other scents too. And this is just a hydrating mask. So I usually will put it on after the baby facial because the baby facial can be a bit drying. Not too much though, honestly, it's not bad. So now I'm done. I'm just gonna walk around with a shiny face all night. And then in the morning I will do a like gentle wash of my face. But I just leave this on and let it soak in overnight. I don't like putting this on right before bedtime because like I feel like it will just rub off on my sheets. So I do like to do this at least about 30 minutes to an hour before I actually go to bed. So for the rest of this night, I'm just gonna edit this vlog so I can have it up for you guys tomorrow. I am really enjoying this video every day type thing. I definitely couldn't keep it up long term. It's actually kind of tough, and especially like today with Noah being sick. I was planning on filming a different video today, actually like 2 videos today, but I couldn't do that. So tis what it is. So I'm just hoping that I can stick with every day. But you know, I know y'all understand if something comes up and I can't, but I just feel like it's a goal to me to be able to stick with it every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog so I can edit it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.